How to use the Windows Privacy Dashboard in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to review and manage the data Windows collects about you. First, open your browser and go to account.microsoft.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. From there, click on Privacy in the top navigation bar. After that, you'll land on the Privacy Dashboard, where all your data and activity is organized into different categories. At this point, click on Browse History to see any browsing activity Microsoft has collected if you use Edge with Sync enabled. From here, you can clear it all or remove individual entries. Following this, click on Search History to see everything you've searched for using Bing or Cortana and clear out anything you don't want stored. After that, click on Location Activity to see a log of locations Microsoft has recorded from your device. Click Clear All if you want to wipe it. From here, click on Cortana's Notebook if you've used Cortana, where you'll find any data collected from voice interactions and personal preferences. At this point, click on App and Service Activity to see what data connected Microsoft apps have been collecting and remove anything you're not comfortable with. Following this, click on Health Activity if you've used any Microsoft Health-related features and review or clear that data from the same dashboard. Finally, at the top of the Privacy Dashboard page, you'll also find a link to your privacy settings, where you can adjust what gets collected going forward, so less data builds up over time. That's how you use the Windows Privacy Dashboard. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Catch you then.